Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best Norelco men's shaver on the market. The Philips Norelco OneBlade Intimate. Model QP1924/70S. This device is specially designed for sensitive areas like the pubic region and armpits, combining trimming and shaving with an extra layer of skin protection. Now, the OneBlade Intimate isn't your typical shaver. It uses Philips' unique OneBlade technology, which means it has a fast-moving cutter that moves 100 times per second. This powerful action lets it cut through hair of any length quickly and efficiently without pulling or tugging. The real star here is the Skin Protect blade, featuring a triple protection system. This means it has rounded edges, a protective bridge, and rounded tips that all work together to prevent nicks, cuts, and irritation, which is crucial for grooming delicate skin. One of the best things about this shaver is its versatility. With just one device, you can both shave and trim. It comes with an attachable 3mm body comb that allows for easy trimming in any direction, making grooming fast and precise. The blades are durable stainless steel and can last up to 4 months, based on an average usage of 2 full shaves per week. This helps keep your grooming routine smooth without frequently changing blades. The OneBlade Intimate is fully waterproof with an IPX7 rating, so you can use it wet or dry, with or without shaving foam. It's even designed to be used in the shower, which adds convenience and ease to your routine. Cleaning is simple too. Just rinse the blade under running water after use. Powered by a rechargeable Ni-mH battery, it provides 30 minutes of shaving time after an 8-hour charge. While the charging time might seem long, you can plug it in whenever you want, making it perfect for daily use or travel. The design is sleek and ergonomic, making it comfortable to hold and maneuver around those tricky, sensitive spots. To sum it up, the Philips Norelco OneBlade Intimate is a hybrid grooming tool that prioritizes skin safety and ease of use. It tackles intimate grooming with precision and comfort thanks to its advanced blade technology and protective design. Whether you're looking to maintain a clean shave or a neatly trimmed look, this device covers all bases while being waterproof and travel-friendly. If you want a dedicated shaver that's gentle on sensitive skin but tough on hair, the OneBlade Intimate is definitely worth considering. That's it from Product Critique today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and product insights.